Hi there. So welcome. Now I'm here to teach you how to create a video presentation using Canva that you can use for your presentation, your ads, to boost your leads on your social media. So the idea here is just create a video presentation using the platform Canva. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is please gather a pen and paper. A pencil would do, even a notepad on your cell phone, whatever application or tools you have to take down notes will suffice, as long as you can take down notes, as I've said earlier, to follow them accordingly and do not skip a step, because it's very crucial to follow them one step at a time so you can understand and memorize the step. Okay? So let's go on with it. Please open a browser. Any browser would suffice. I'm using Microsoft Edge as of now. If you want to use Google Chrome, that's perfectly fine. Even if it's Mozilla Firefox, even though I'm not sure if it's still there, Bing, Opera Mini, as long as you have access to the internet, that should suffice. So once you have your browser open, please go to this link. It's gonna be www.canva.com. And then, just for precautionary measures, open this link also. It's gonna be www.remove.bg/upload. The idea of here is that I'm just gonna remove my background on my sample image. This image I got it from the internet. So just take note, there's a background right there, there's a shadow. But for the option right here, remove background, so clear. I'm gonna use this later on. Let me just download it. Perfect. Now that I downloaded it, I can just remove right away. So this is Canva. Just log into your account. How will you know you're logged in? You can see your your photo right there in the upper right, or on this left side. Anyway, once you're here, click on Create Design right there. Since we're making presentation, you can either choose this one, but I prefer choosing video. It's the same size anyway, 920 by 1080 pixels. Let me just check my recording real quickly here. Make sure everything is good and running smoothly. Okay, now once we're here, this should be the landing page. This should be the editing platform of Canva. So the thing here is, you can follow my step, the basics, the general, but the output, the real output here will come to you guys, because the quality of the design will come for each person. It's the only limit here is your imagination, to be honest. So let me just teach you the basics. If you want to upload a template, there are elements here. Click on this one and then just find your template right here. For example, I want to have an office background. But there you go. Office background is there. Then if you want to duplicate your background, just click on this one first, the arrow right there. Click on this icon right here. Your slide is duplicated. Now to check if it's really duplicated, click on this play sign right here, and then you won't really notice because it's the same. Let's just put something to differentiate each other. Second, let's just put second here. Now click on play, and then you will see second as you see there. Perfect. There you go. It's shown, right? Let me just remove that. Let me just remove this one. So since this is the background, let's check another background here. I think I have animated right here that I used earlier. Give me a second here. This one right here. You may see that it's really good design. It's a very user-friendly design. It's very incising. But this is only a free template from Canva. And please take note, there are crowns on the few templates here. Do not be afraid. These are actually for Pro. What do I mean by Pro? Canva Pro has a subscription monthly. I'm not quite sure how much is the payment monthly by here, but the features are really great. For example, this apply to all 11 pages, just one click, and then all of your 11 pages would be set. You just need to edit the information and something like that. It's really easy. It's really helpful for Canva Pro. It also has internal background remover, which is really helpful for all of the designers out there. Now, since this is our template, let me just remove some of this, another of this text. So this should be my blank one. Let me just copy this. This is the duplication. Now I want to make something, just a welcoming sign right here. Give me a second. I'm just gonna check my audio if it's working properly. Seems so. Anyway, once you're here, click on letter T. to enter the text box and then says welcome to my video. Now to edit that one, it's pretty boring if it's only like that. Click on this one. You can also edit the tools on the upper right, the font, this one, the size, the effects, as you can see here. Even you can animate it also. As you can see, everything is being animated. Pretty good, right? Even the writing itself is pretty animated. As you can see, it's good. I'm going to choose this typewriter right here, and then on enter is good. I'm gonna choose that one. So to check if everything is good on my end, if that animation is applied, let me just play this one. As you can see, it's being applied, right? Perfect. Now you can either copy the text and then paste it right here. Click on Control C, paste it here, and then just edit it here. Hello again. Or you can either choose the text box right here, choose every text you want, as long as make sure you animate it afterwards on this option right here, okay? Because technically it's pretty boring, it's not pretty good if it's not animated, okay? So let me just remove this one again. So I've mentioned a photo earlier, right? I've mentioned the background I removed earlier, because for example I want to input my photo right here. There you go. And then once we're here, click on this one. As you can see, I can include my photo here. Now the difference of a remove background and with background is, I'll show you. Give me a second here. I'm just gonna find the one with the background. Wait for it to finish. That's why pretty good that backgrounds are removed. You can see the difference, right? It's not pretty editable. Just remove this one. So this is a good one. If you want to remove the background in Canva itself, you can just edit the photo. Click here. As you can see, if you click on this photo, you should arrive on this platform, and as you can see here, there's a background remover option. However, this is only for Canva Pro users. Now, that being said, let me just check my recording if everything is good. Okay. Now, once we're here, we can add another option of template. Make sure that everything is good. For example, you don't want this same template, you can just click add page here without clicking the duplicate, and then add another template right here. Let me just search on office background. Now once we're here, click on this one. You can also drag it, and then perfect. Also, I just want to mention, this is pretty important, the duration of each slides. It's just like making a PowerPoint. Let's say 3 seconds over there. Now for the second one, let's put it over 3 again. And then you can actually click on this one. This is the page animations. Text animations are different for the page animation. Let's just say disco for this one. And the second one is gonna be corporate. Now to check, click on that one and then wait for it for the next one. It's pretty good, right? The office. Okay, there you go. Those are the basics. I can't really teach you how to do this, how to do that. That will come from you guys. It's your skill to gain your perfect quality. And then with this, the basics on how to create a video presentation using Canva. I hope you enjoy it, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.